Hello, Chef here, and today I've got the sharpest utility knife in the world. Let's unbox this baby and show you what's in here. These knives are handmade in Sekai City, Japan, one by one, just like samurai swords, and wow, they're really, really nice. First thing you notice is the very cool shape and size of this knife. The blade's approximately 5.5 inches long. Cool Tonto tip. I dig it right there. Yeah. And the knife, yeah, it's a VG10 Super Steel. You can read the blade right there yourself. What do we got? Like 60 layers folded around a pure core. High carbon, moly, alloy, tool steel. Wow, made in Sekai City, Japan. Yeah, that's the good stuff right there. So the knife's perfectly balanced, great feel. You can't feel the rivets at all. The handle's perfect. It doesn't get any better than that. It's full tang. The metal goes all the way back to the end. Very important. Okay, so this knife's got the wow factor already. I'm sure you're digging it, and I'm going to show you how to bust through a tomato very quickly. So let's do a little close-up. Here we go. I got this beautiful tomato. Look at that. That's an heirloom. Yeah. Just going to pop the top off like this. Quick and easy. And then I'm going to cut this tomato into some perfect slices and attempt a brunoise of tomato. Almost no effort. See that? It's cutting right through. By the way, it's splitting the seeds too. Wow. Perfect tomato. Perfect tomato knife. Yeah. What do you think of that? That tomato, by the way, is super, super soft and ripe. So, can your knife do that? I don't know. You might check it out. Wow! Okay, the ideal way to slice this tomato is going to be to line it up like this, and line it up like this, and just cut straight across. I want to make sure I'm in the camera there. Okay, just like this. This tomato is so soft, and the knife's just gliding right through. Even the tough skin's right through. So here we go. Looks like my brunoise turned into a small dice, but oh well, it's all there. So that's it. Right there, pretty nice cut. It's kind of a small dice. All right. This half here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to just go a little bit faster. There we go. One tomato, very nice. It's in between a small dice and a brunoise, but they're looking good. That's the knife right there. Get it at your sponsor. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Have a great day. Keep cooking.